Is gold's record price a massive warning sign for your money? In this video, I'm going to show you what this gold rush truly means for the financial system, how it impacts the S&P 500, and where the smart money is heading next. This isn't just about gold, it's about the next big technology boom. Historically, when gold soars like this, it's a symptom of deep anxiety. It's a vote of no confidence in the system. But the real story is what happens when the fever breaks. Gold hitting an all-time high isn't a celebration, it's a barometer of fear. Think of it as the world's financial system having a high temperature. It signals that central banks are struggling to maintain confidence and that investors are worried about the value of their money. They aren't buying gold because they love the metal, they're buying it because they distrust everything else. This is a hedge against systemic risk. A hedge is basically an investment made to reduce the risk of another investment. In this case, gold is insurance against the entire financial system wobbling. This isn't a new story. We saw a similar pattern in the 1970s. Gold went on an explosive rally while the stock market, represented by the S&P 500, struggled badly, especially when you account for inflation. Today, we see the echoes of that. As gold climbs, both stocks and bonds are feeling the pressure. The message is clear. When fear takes over, traditional assets suffer. The S&P 500 looks weak during these periods because capital is flowing out of growth and into safety. If you're getting value from this breakdown of the market's hidden signals, take a moment to subscribe to the channel. I focus on these major shifts so you can position your portfolio ahead of time. So, if gold is the asset of caution, what is the asset of optimism? The answer is technology, and more specifically, artificial intelligence. History shows us a fascinating pattern. The end of a major gold rally doesn't signal a return to the old normal. It signals the beginning of a new era of growth and optimism. When confidence returns, interest rates tend to fall, and that capital sitting in gold needs a new home, a home with growth potential. That home is the AI revolution. Money doesn't just disappear, it rotates. We are on the cusp of a massive capital rotation out of caution assets like gold and bonds and into growth assets that will define the next decade. Think about it this way. Gold is a bet that things will go wrong. AI is a bet that human innovation will create a better, more productive future. One is a shield, the other is a rocket ship. You can't ride both at the same time. Sooner or later, the gold rally will slow down. The fear will subside. That will be the signal that the AI acceleration is about to begin in earnest. The capital that was hiding in gold will come flooding into companies building the future. And as I'll explain in a moment, the companies in the S&P 500 will be the biggest beneficiaries. The current price of gold is a test. It's a flashing red light on the dashboard of the global economy. It's telling us that the system is under stress. So what's the actionable advice here? First, understand what gold is for. It's a temporary shield, not a long-term growth engine. It's protecting your wealth from currency devaluation and systemic shocks right now. Second, keep your eyes on the horizon. The real opportunity isn't in gold's peak, it's in what comes after. The next massive wave of wealth will be created in the AI space. While the S&P 500 is under pressure now, it's poised for a significant rally once this period of distrust ends, and the companies leading that rally will be those at the forefront of AI. The signal to watch for is gold's consolidation. When you see gold stop making new highs and begin to trade sideways or down, that's your cue. It means confidence is returning to the system, and the rocket ship is getting ready for launch. To recap, gold's record price is a warning of distrust. It historically puts pressure on stocks like the S&P 500, but this is temporary. The end of the gold rally will fuel the beginning of the next great growth story, artificial intelligence. Use gold for protection now, but be ready to rotate into growth when the signs appear. If you want to stay updated on this major shift from gold to AI, make sure you're subscribed to Minuto Inversor. Now, I want to hear your take. Are you currently holding gold as a shield, or are you already positioned for the AI boom? Let me know in the comments below.